This video is just a quick refresher of fractions and a review of kind of what we've been doing all year. You don't have to watch this, you can skip around if you need. This is only a tool for you guys who need extra help. So let's start off with the basics of adding or subtracting fractions. Well, you guys already know we can't add these together yet because they don't have like denominators. So I'm going to multiply my two denominators together and get 12. And I'm basically finding an equivalent fraction. Okay, next up I'm going to cross multiply. So 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. I'm going to make sure I keep this in the right order. So 4 times 2, whatever that top number is, that's going to be the first number. That's really important for subtracting because I can't subtract 3 minus 8, but I can subtract 8 minus 3. Then add them together, and I should get 11 twelfths. If this was subtracting, I would have 5 twelfths. All right, this is a quick refresher on how to make a mixed number an improper fraction. So first, I'm going to multiply 2 and 7, so my denominator times my whole number, and I'm going to get 14. Then I'm going to add on my numerator, so I should have 15. 14 plus 1 is 15. And then my denominator stays the same, so 15 sevenths. To do the same thing, we want to go backwards. Well, how many times does 7 go into 15? We'll just divide. 15 divided by 7. Well, 7 goes into 15 twice. 14 is what I would subtract. I have 1 left over, so that is my remainder out of 7. 2 and 1/7. All right, multiplying, nice and easy. You just multiply across. So 1 times 10, 10. 9 times 5 is 45. And I know that 5 goes into both of these, so I can divide these both by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 45 divided by 5 is 9. So my simplest form is 2/9. All right, dividing. We got to throw that whole number, put a 1 under it. Now I'm going to rewrite out my problem. 3 over 1 stays the same. Dividing turns to multiplying. And I'm going to find my reciprocal, or my multiplicative inverse. So now I have 3 over 2. My answer is 9/2. But what happens if my whole number is the second number? Well, 2/3 stays the same. First number is always the same. That division turns to multiplication. And I remembered that there's a 1 under that 3. So all I need to do is flip it around. I'm going to take 2/3 times 1/3. My answer will be 2/9. You can see how the order of the numbers changes the answer, where this one is 9/2, which would be 4.5. And this one is 2/9, which you cannot simplify any further.